Hello all, welcome to my channel Road to Learn. Today we will do class 4 English medium health and physical education. Question number 1. Choose the correct word and fill in the gap. A. Courage. Success will come if anyone advances with courage. Question number B. Devotion, respect and modesty, gentleness. Modesty and gentleness make the child character. Question number C. Conscience. A child with conscience and good feeling undoubtedly deserve good mentality. Question number D. Willing to keep good company. When a child keeps with mannered learners, he becomes honest-minded. Question number E. Inquisitiveness. Inquisitive defeated as the key to success. Question number F. Greatness in sacrifice. Greatness rests in sacrifice. There is self-trust in sacrifice. Question number G. Sense of courtesy. To be a man, woman of good character, she should speak with good discipline. DISCIPLINED. Steadfastness. Any self-restraint, if attempted with tenacity, must be successful. Question number I. Tolerance, perseverance. People with tolerance or perseverance are never great. GREAT, great. SELFRESTRAINT. Question number J. To be considerate. Power of thought can be improved by honest with people. HONEST, honest. Question number J. K. Self-confidence. With self-confidence and joy can be an ideal man. Question number L. Good manner. Character can be rectified with work, modesty and courtesy. Question number M. Sense of discipline. A student of good character must be associating. Question number N. Cooperation and co-feeling. A child having sense of cooperation and gentleness should be of good character. Question number O. Self-restraint. Co-feeling brings about concentration. Question number P. Love. Greatness can be achieved by love but made by enmity. Question number 2. Choose the correct word from the given word cluster. Flood. Excessive shower cause water everywhere. Waterlogged condition is not safe. SAF is safe. Flood. This temporary condition is called flood. Then we stay in safe place. FLOOD, flood. Question number C. Flood. Roads and houses get filled by water. In high grounds, people take shelter. PEOPLE, people. Flood. Car houses all flooded by water. Volunteer come forward. VOLUNTEER, volunteer. 2E. Flood. Rescue teams also do their works. Dry fruits, baby food and water are provided from relief fund. DRY, dry, FRUIT, fruit. Question number F. Flood. Providing security to the citizen is the duty of the government. CITIGZEN, citizen. ठीक है. Question number 3. Choose the correct answer to fill in the blanks. Question number A. The energy which is formed due to friction among is known as thunder clouds. Question number B. When that thunder rushes towards the earth's surface, we call it thunderclap. Question number C. Seeing thunder cloud stays safe indoor as it is dangerous. SAF is safe. Question number D. To avoid danger during thunderclap, you should take shelter. Safe home. Question number E. Don't touch the switchboard nor the mobile phone and keep the doors and window until the thunderclap stops. Shut. Question number F. Earth's surface vibrate due to earthquake. Question number G. Earthquake cause damage to shelter. It destroy doors, window, wall and almirah or household properties. Question number H. Earthquake cause death of human being, animal and cause misery. Identify the Yogasan posture and write the name in the blank box. 4A. Ardha Chandrasan. 4B. Dhanurasan. 4A. ARDHACHAND DRASAN, Ardha Chandrasan. Utkatasana. UTKATASAN, KATASHAN. 4B Dhanurasan, DHANURASAN, Dhanurasan. 5. Answer the following question. 5A. What is flood? Flood are the most frequent type of natural disaster and occur when an overflow of water submerges land that is usually dry. Floods are often caused by heavy rainfall, rapid snowmelt, or a storm surge from a tropical cyclone or tsunami in a coastal areas. 4B. What should have not to be done at the time of flood? The things that should not be done during floods are: point number 1, ignore rumors, stay calm, don't panic. Point number 2, we should not drink water from wells or pond. Point number 3, keep cattle animal in the shade and ensure their safety. Point number 4, don't leave the harvested produce in the open field. If you like my video, please like, subscribe and share.